In this video, we will cover the difference between copy to card and copy all log files on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Console, press the Memory tab. From this screen, we can press Copy to Card. We do this if we are wanting to copy log files which have not yet been copied to the external storage card. Or we can press the Advanced tab and press Copy All Log Files if we are wanting to copy all log data on the display to the external storage card. We have now covered the difference between copy to card and copy all log files on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.